Get ready to make a beeline for the dusty garage, because once you see the treasures that Trending Machine has in store, your creativity is going to explode. Today we're diving into the world of ingenious construction workers that are on another level, and it's guaranteed to leave you in awe. Once you hit that like and subscribe button, we're all in. Let's roll. It's absolutely amazing how this guy crafts a perfect door opening in a massive log cabin. I'm truly in awe. This guy creates an impressive 3D effect by assembling tile puzzles with remarkable finesse. With just a few expert strokes, those seams simply disappear. This excavator operator's ingenuity makes him a one-person powerhouse on the construction site. Total mastery of every tool has allowed this worker to restore curves to perfection. Check out how this guy skillfully harnesses the gravitational potential of plaster. Watch this worker's skill and focus as he creates a flawless concrete surface. All you need is a reliable team like this to make the smoothest wall ever. The creative touch of this master craftsman makes laying granite floors look like fun, not hard labor. There's no such thing as a tough spot for an expert. This man can even paint with just his foot. Careful, this man's troll handling skills are so captivating. It's hard not to get hooked. See, this guy has some serious fire show skills, and his work with scorching resin will make this road last a lifetime. How about this guy? We're talking top-tier ceiling painting here. Get ready. This ability is going to blow you away. All credit to the painter's exceptional vision and skill for this house's incredible makeover. With the speed of these workers, the whole world will be covered in tiles before you know it. Installing an air conditioner requires nerves of steel, and these determined pros have them. It's hard to believe the level of precision of someone who can craft such flawless lines with an angle grinder. Take a look at the stairway wizard we have today. Isn't that simply amazing? Having a demolition pro like this means you can save money on hiring a whole crew. This creator uses fire to shape a one-of-a-kind ceiling. This guy understands the concept of persistence like no one else on the planet. Thanks to this pro's extensive experience, mounting a 21 kilograms solar panel is a walk in the park. The way this guy takes on the challenge of measuring the required tile cuts is quite impressive. Watch closely. This pro's life hacks will make your floor picture perfect. When it comes to painting large warehouse areas, this worker's got it in the bag. These geniuses at work figured out a clever way to save their backs and move blocks with lightning speed. And take a look at this bridge domino effect, initiated by the worker to the right of the excavator. Not only has this team delivered a stunning visual, they've also provided the owners with some poolside serenity. If someone happened to be frosting a cake nearby, this road would turn out smoother than the icing itself. Just give this painter a brush, and you'll be living large in marble. A massive crew collaborated on an unbelievable epoxy resin floor, but stepping on it will never feel the same. The geniuses who create flawless road markings through sheer ingenuity truly deserve our admiration. This clever trick is going on your never forget list, trust me. Check out how many bricks this powerhouse can lift at once. Count them and let us know the total in the comments. Watch this guru make wallpaper seams vanish like magic. These ingenious builders have already figured out the benefits of using bottles for moisture resistance and insulation. Apparently, bricklaying needs to be elevated to the level of art, because we're looking at a masterpiece here. These people clearly were inspired by the frescoes of Michelangelo, and I'm sure he would have appreciated their ceiling art. Roofing doesn't get any faster than when this team is on the job. Let's not call this remarkable stone imitation a trick. It's pure craftsmanship. Imagine the audacity it takes to cut the very supports that are holding you up. Before you is a real professional. Check out this duo who remains steady and focused to turn cement delivery into a breeze. In the hands of this sorcerer, plaster turns into marble. It's truly astounding. Crafting a non-slip doorstep with liquid plastic is this tradesman's secret weapon. When you've got pros on the job, they can pull off something like this with ease. Having hands doesn't guarantee expertise, and this guy is proof. Keep it up, buddy. Check this out. Strong builders only work with powerful hammers. As a result of this lumberjack's ingenuity, we now have safe hillside steps. These workers' technique for effortlessly moving 2,600-ton structures is pure genius. The way this guy meticulously places concrete is the most gratifying ASMR experience ever. Behold, the master of making holes vanish. I'm in awe of how this worker controls his excavator with a sense of ownership. What's going on here? Who's letting surgeons drive excavators? Being a true expert means you're always professional, regardless of gender. The next time you see an amazing boat, remember that it's the handiwork of this master craftsman. Here's what happens when a freestyler gets behind the wheel of a forklift. Keep up the good work, buddy. A skilled builder knows that the environment plays a crucial role. The precision it takes to be able to paint without touching the grass is priceless. For this team, construction challenges take a backseat to innovative ideas. Take a moment to admire this satisfying work. This guy pulls off an incredible feat by smoothly handling 250 kilograms all on his own. I was so worried that the tiles were going to crack as I watched this. But thanks to professionals like this, it'll never happen. Such an extraordinary team effort outperforms anything a machine could do. Thanks to the diligent work of this man, road markings are consistently perfect. This cool life hack for making a curved basket using a DIY mold is exciting. Meet the speediest furnace builders ever. You have to admit, very few people possess the masterful skill to operate construction machinery. This is how teamwork should be. These are the unsung heroes who make the most durable foundations. Precise and skillful work by laborers is crucial for effectively setting up a porous concrete system that controls liquids. After his stint with Cirque du Soleil, this builder finally decided to pursue his true calling. A true expert can smooth out cement while armed with nothing but a ladder. Get ready for a total apartment makeover when this woman's creative vision takes over. It's completely unrecognizable. Believe me, you'll be itching for these guys to work their magic at your place too. This team is able to install heavy marble thanks to their unwavering focus on the task. With a little space and some drywall, a skilled pro can transform the ordinary into art. For this painter, every wall is a canvas, and his work is nothing short of perfection. This cobblestone pathway is absolutely supreme. Talk about some serious talent. Before watching this video, you probably didn't realize how visually appealing staircase building could be. Did you? We really should be giving out an award for the most impressive balancing act. Unbelievable! These guys are practically printing cobblestones right before our eyes. Brilliant! Working in tandem with their polishing machine, this worker leaves walls smoother than silk. This guy goes all out when it comes to building tree houses, and the results are stunning. Care to stop by? I absolutely love it when experts work their magic and transform a boring backyard into a haven of relaxation. One sharp motion, and a strong, solid wall is ready for action. Surprising, right? Drop a comment if the concept of asphalt painting is news to you. The fate of a new building's foundation rests with this person. Alright folks, that's it for today's Ingenious Construction Workers. Now let's have some fun. Tell us in the comments. If you could put together the dream team of builders from the people featured in this video, who would you pick and why? And as always, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. We'll catch you later.